Go back. Go back. Back. Go back. You see what this is? Go back. You're going to go, this is going to be reported to the police. No, you go back. You're driving into someone. How do you think that'll look in court when you're driving with someone on the bonnet?
You're not a policeman. Get out of the way.
Doesn't matter, you'll be going to court over this.
Get out of the way.
No, you go back.
I'm not reversing up the road. I need to get up the road.
Call the police then. Go on, I dare you. Call the police. Yes, because you're in the wrong. Go back. Nobody cares about your silly little impatience and your silly little problem. Don't risk people's lives by going the wrong side of a keep left. No, you go back. You're on the wrong side of the road, on the wrong side of a traffic island. You have zero excuse for your despicable behavior.
You're not in the right to block the road.
No, I am. I'm perfectly able to stand out here and block someone.
Both of us are in the wrong.
I'm not in the wrong at all. Back you go. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
I hope you get killed.
You hope I get killed. Nice. Back you go, you incompetent. No, you don't. Don't even try it. He's homicidal, that guy. That's it. He can't have seen the Mercedes guy. 2 million views on YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
The Mercedes guy, you didn't see him. He got 2 million views on YouTube.
Yeah, but he probably tried to do something like run somebody over.
He did. It was me. He did exactly the same, and no doubt I will see you in court, right? Because I will report this.
Okay.
You're terrible. You think you're on the road. You're absolute scum, in my opinion.
Carry on doing your great fine work.